Hello everyone, my name is Jason. Omotuo and Nkate Kontob3 has been my favorite food since infancy, and I have learned how to prepare it from my auntie. I have learned every trick and method. Where Onga too they support me for the back, so join me with Mama's helping hand as we prepare Omotuo and Nkate Kontob3. Let's get started. First, I'll put my beef in my pot and I'll add my blended garlic, ginger and paprika. Cut my onions into halves and add it into my beef. Then I'll add my fresh red pepper. Mix it together, cover it and leave it to simmer for about 10 minutes. Now I process my palm nut with hot water and sieve it. My sieved palm nut mixture is ready. I'll put it aside and check on my beef. This smells good. It's time to add my fresh tomatoes, which I'll be blending later, and of course, my favorite Onga 3 mix. I'll add a little bit of salt and leave it to cook. My tomatoes, onions and red pepper are ready to be blended. I'll take all out, add a little bit of water, and make sure you don't add too much water. Now I add my groundnut paste, stir it a little. I'll leave it to cook. Now I blend my tomatoes, onions and red pepper. Add my blended mixture now for it to cook. Cover. Now let's start with our kontomire. To do that, I'll need to add some water into my pot and add my fresh green kontomire. Stir a little bit. Cover for it to cook. It's time to add my sieved palm nut mixture and my fish. Remember to wash your fish before adding to your soup. And to give it a kick, just add some few paprika. Cover it to cook for 5 minutes. Let's check our kontomire. My kontomire is ready. I'll take it out. I'm about to add it to my soup. So I'm going to stir it a little and cover it for it to cook. If you have noticed, I have not put my mushrooms because I don't want it to be overcooked. So I'm going to save this for later. While the soup is cooking, I'm going to bring my omotuo. My omotuo is ready and I'm going to add my mushrooms. Guys, prepare to be amazed when I serve you with my omotuo and Nkate Kontob3. This is my Omotuo and Nkate Kontob3. Thank you, Onga. You have worked the magic. Elele?